Free driver education to help you ace your driving test. Trubicars.
Hello everyone, Mandeep here from Trubicars. We are doing this video in Cambridge, Ontario. So if you're going for your G2 or G test, this video will definitely help you out. Okay, so let's practice left turn. We will be turning left at this traffic light. So I'm going to signal, shoulder check, then I go in the left hand lane, left turning lane. Light is green, so I go in the intersection. There is oncoming traffic. So I have to wait for the oncoming traffic, checking pedestrians, no pedestrians here. That means intersection is clear and I can complete my left hand turn. Speed limit sign on the right hand side, maximum 50 kilometers. And right now we are doing about 49, 50. Checking my rear view mirror as well. There's only one vehicle behind me and they are maintaining distance as well, which is good. Okay, so scanning this intersection. And we will be turning right on this intersection here. So I have my right signal on. Checking my rear view mirror, checking my blind spot, looks clear and we are good to go. Now we see a stop sign coming up and we're gonna be turning right at the stop sign. So right signal on, and this stop sign, it's a two-way stop sign. So we have a stop sign, there's another stop sign for the oncoming traffic, but this cross traffic does not stop. So we have to come to a complete stop first before the stop line. Then we check on the sidewalk, looks clear. Then we slowly move forward and we check traffic, no other vehicles here. So that means we are good to go. And the right hand blind spot was also clear. I can signal around these vehicles. Kids on the sidewalk, so you just have to be careful. And let's go left from this intersection. So this one is all-way intersection, so that means all directions have a stop sign. So same thing here, you know, you have to come to a complete stop, check for pedestrians, and regarding the vehicles, you know, if you stop first, you would go first, and if two vehicles stop at the same time, then the vehicle on the right hand side gets a right of way. Another always stop sign. So let's go straight from the stop sign. So coming to a complete stop, looking in my rear view mirror as well, nobody behind me, complete stop before the stop line, no pedestrian, no other vehicles, so that means we are good to go. Traffic lights are coming up and we will practice left hand turn at traffic lights. Going around these parked cars, I can signal, shoulder check, I can slow down a little bit, maintaining distance from parked vehicles. And we're going to be turning left at traffic lights. So light is green, no oncoming traffic, no pedestrians. That means we can go. Speed limit sign on the right side showing 50 kilometers maximum. Okay, so this traffic light we will turn right. So I have my right signal on and the light turns green. I'm checking on the right hand side, looks clear, no cyclists, no pedestrians here, so the right blind spot is clear, so that means I'm good to go. And I'm going to signal around this vehicle. Okay, so stop sign here, we will go left. So I'm pulling back to the right hand side to my lane, complete stop before the stop line, checking for pedestrians, other vehicles, looks clear, and now we can complete our turn. So when you're turning, make sure you are, you're turning into your lane as well. Don't go into the oncoming lane. So another stop sign coming up. So let's practice left turn again. So I'm keeping my car closer to the center line, coming to a complete stop here, and we stopped before this vehicle. That means we get to go first. So signal around this vehicle here, maintaining distance, and now shoulder check to pull back to the right hand side. Stop sign is coming up and I'm going to turn right, so right signal on. This is a one-way stop sign, so complete stop here. No pedestrians, right blind spot looks clear, no traffic coming from the left hand side, so that means we can complete our right hand turn. From this traffic light we will go straight because there is no left turn. You can now see the sign as well, it says no left turn. When you stop behind another vehicle, make sure you leave about car length distance.
Free driver education to help you ace your driving test. Trubicars.